Hi friends, welcome to GK Tech Talk. In today's video, we are going to discuss regarding abstract classes. In previous video, we already discussed regarding interfaces. Interfaces are almost similar to abstract classes, but there are few differences between interfaces and abstract classes. Whoever wants to know regarding interfaces, please go through my interfaces video. I will just give below the description. Any class, we can declare a class as an abstract when we want to restrict that class to be created as an object. So if you declare a class as an object, you can't create object for that particular class. The subclasses of that particular class needs to implement all the methods, all the abstract methods in your class. Okay, without having any abstract method in your class, you can even declare your class as an abstract. If you are having an abstract method in your class, then definitely you need to declare your class as an abstract. Abstract is a keyword which is used to declare a class as an abstract. So if you have a class without any abstract methods, then also you can declare your class as an abstract. By declaring like that, you are restricting your others to create an object for your class. So once you declared as an abstract, you can't create objects for an abstract class. If you declare an abstract method in a class, then you should declare that class as an abstract. Otherwise, you will get a compile time error. We can't create object to abstract classes. Abstract class can also have normal methods. So we can even declare abstract methods and normal methods inside our abstract class. If you didn't declare a class as an abstract, even that class contains an abstract method, then you will get a compile time error. A class declares an abstract, then subclass of that class should provide implementation for all the methods in that abstract class. That means you have an abstract class having multiple abstract methods. If a class extends your class, that means subclass of your class needs to provide the implementation for all your methods. So then we can call it as overriding, where we need to override all the methods of our superclass abstract class in our subclass. Suppose your subclass is not going to provide implementation any of the method, then you need to declare your subclass also abstract class. Otherwise you will get compile time error. So if there is a class having abstract methods, that class we need to declare an abstract class. The subclass of that class should provide implementation for all the methods, all the abstract methods in that class. Suppose if it is not able to provide, then we need to declare that subclass also abstract. Okay, there are most of the things are common between abstract class and interfaces, but there are few differences. We need to know what are the differences between abstract classes and interfaces. In interface, everything is abstract and public, but here we have normal methods as well in the abstract classes. In interfaces, variables are public, static, final, but here in abstract classes we can declare different kinds of variables. Interfaces don't have a constructor, but abstract class having constructor. Constructor purpose is initialization. That is why we have, for abstract classes we have a constructor, but we can't create object for abstract class. When to use abstract class? We don't know any implementation, then we need to go for interface. If you know partial implementation and you don't know few methods implementation, then you need to go for abstract classes. Okay, these are the differences. This is the theoretical part of the abstract class. Now we are going to practical part of abstract classes. Okay, see here I have created a class car. So in this class car I just declared a method, abstract method, solar, run on solar. See, I know how to implement a method run on petrol. So petrol vehicle I know how to implement, so but I don't know how to implement on solar. So that's why I created a abstract method here. So I declared my car class as an abstract. Even without this method also I can declare my class as an abstract. There will be no error. So abstract is a keyword which is used to declare your class as an abstract. Okay, even without providing any abstract here, so if you declare an abstract method inside a class, then you will get a compile time error. So make type car abstract. See, whenever you have at least one abstract method, then you should declare your class as an abstract. So once you created an abstract class, subclass has to provide the implementation for unimplemented methods, means abstract methods. So we create a class called hybrid car. In hybrid car, we are going to extend the car class. So here I'm not providing any implementation, that's why we are getting an error. So here I am providing the implementation for run solar, then error is gone. Okay, so this is my overridden method from car class. Car running on solar. Now we are trying to create an object for car class. For abstract classes, we can't create an object, right? So but I am trying to create, let's see what it will say. See, if you try to create an object, then cannot instantiate the type car. Why? Because car is an abstract, that's why you can't create an object. But if you try to create object for hybrid car, then it will allow, and you can even call the method. Here you can call even run on petrol or run on solar. Why? Because your hybrid car is extending car class. So I'm just calling run on solar. I'm just running the class. Now I am going to run this class. So here I am calling the run on solar method. So this method is going to execute. So we are able to create an object for hybrid car, but we are unable to create an object for car. Why? Because car is an abstract class. So suppose if you are not able to override this particular class here, then you need to declare your hybrid car class also abstract. There is no other way, so you need to declare that class as an abstract. Okay, suppose you are able to provide implementation for one method and you are unable to provide implementation for another abstract class, like see, I have one more abstract method inside car class, run on solar and run on electric energy. There are two methods, but I am able to override only one method. Then also we need to declare our class as an abstract, otherwise you will get compilation error. So here I am declaring my class as an abstract. So once your class became abstract, you can't create object for hybrid car. So you can't create an object for hybrid car and as well as car. Now I am going to create one more class called electric car. My electric car class extends hybrid car. Now this hybrid car having one abstract method and car class is having two abstract methods. Both methods we need to no need to implement here. We need to implement one from we already overridden in run solar in hybrid car, and another method is run on electric energy that we are overriding in electric car. Now we can create object for electric car and we can access both the methods. See, in electric car we no need to override two methods. Why? Because already run on solar, it's already overridden in hybrid. So in hybrid car we missed only electric energy, so that's why we are including that as part of electric car.java. Okay, this is the way abstract class will work. So whenever you declare a class as an abstract, you need to use a keyword called abstract in front of your class, like this, and if you have any abstract methods inside your class, then those methods needs to be overridden in the subclass. You can't create object for a abstract class. This is the main point you need to remember. Okay, but compared to interfaces with abstract classes, when to use abstract classes, or half of the implementation, how to implement run on petrol, so I'm able to implement it, but I am not aware of how to implement run on solar. So that's why I declared those methods. Whatever implementation I don't know, so I just declared them as abstract. So these abstract methods make my class as abstract. So whoever implementing my class, whoever extending my class, they needs to override this run on solar and run on electric energy. Here in our case, hybrid car extends our car class. So hybrid car overridden one method, it's unable to provide the implementation for electric energy, so we created one more class which is extending the hybrid car. Then we are fulfilling all the implementations for all the methods of abstract class car. So this is how abstract class will work. So if you know the full implementation, you can go with the normal class. If you don't know full implementation, then you can go with interfaces. If you know partial implementation, you can go with abstract classes. That's it, friends. I hope with this video you are able to understand what is an abstract class, what is the difference between abstract class and interfaces. So if you have any questions, please post in the comment section, we'll reply you back. Okay, thanks for watching this video. Please subscribe to our channel, share it with your friends and family, and please click on bell icon so that whenever we upload a video, you will get the notification that will help you to improve your knowledge. Thanks for watching this video. Take care. Goodbye.